Warning, why I'm investing into Bitcoin. That's exactly right. I'm going to give you my opinion why I'm personally investing in Bitcoin. Because, first of all, the trend is not your friend. The trend is not your friend. Okay, and I'm going to get to that in a second. But if you look at this chart below, and I've zoomed down to the very end, the cycle of Bitcoin, which is a very fairly young idea. Okay, it's a revolutionary idea. And you can see from the very beginning of it, about 10, 12 years ago that it started, you can see if you zoom out that you can draw an exact line where it's going. It just keeps going up and up. And I think it's going to be the world reserve currency, and it's just going to keep skyrocketing. But my brain, I'm not that smart enough, and I can't see that into the future to realize that what the number exactly is going to be. But it's going to be worth millions of dollars. It's going to be the world's reserve currency. All countries, all people, all banks, all corporations are going to want it because it's the sovereignty of themselves. It's what freedom is. It's your life energy that whenever you produce something or you create something, that it doesn't get diluted by printing of bankers' money. Okay, it doesn't get confiscated by X, Y, and Z. Okay, so it's the greatest wealth I think is going to be in the future, and because of that, I'm buying cryptos. I'm buying cryptos now. I came and told you guys when I was selling cryptos, when everyone was buying and drinking the champagne and hitting all-time highs. I was the only guy on YouTube saying, look, I'm selling and taking profits. I'm taking profits. I'm taking profits. And I brought it to you, right? When everyone thought, hey, it's going to go, keep going up. And then guess what? Boom, it dropped 60, 70%, right? And now the trend is that it's down, that it's negative. And again, once again, I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm not putting all my eggs into one. But again, can it go down to 20? Sure. Can it go to 15? Sure. I'm rooting that it goes to 15. I'm rooting that it goes to 10 because I can buy more and get more. So I'm not mad about it. I mean, it's the future. And just kind of like the internet, I was lucky enough to be in college and get my first email when I was a freshman. And I really didn't even understand how email worked, but once I saw it, I was like, man, this is so crazy. And how much that has evolved. Or when I was in high school, when dial-up came in, and I used to go to the malls, and they used to give you CDs, you can put it into your computer and get free internet with net zero or AOL, right? I didn't understand how much it can evolve. Like we can have live streaming and voice over IP and, you know, delivery instantly to your home and online banking and all that stuff just through the internet. Same thing with Bitcoin. I'm not smart enough to realize why all the potentials, right? But I am, you know, little eyes can see that, hey, when I look at this chart and I've used the software, I've used the technology, if I can say, that the wallets and how it works, and I'm so amazed by it. So I'm buying Bitcoin when the market is crashing, when everyone's running away, when everyone's selling. Now, do I know if this is the bottom? No, I don't know if this is the bottom, if this is the top. But to me, it's a long-term play. At least 7 to 10 years, okay? Will I take profits? Absolutely, I will take profits. But again, I've done videos, you guys can go back to my timeline where I explain how I took my profits, where I explain how, you know, I do what I do. I'm not telling you what you should do. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not a CPA. I'm actually a refugee that came to America and was lucky enough to turn $100 in 3 businesses and then not be happy with accumulation and give most of my stuff to the homeless. So I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm coming back. I'm making my investments. I'm just sharing with you. Everyone else was on YouTube telling you to buy and they were buying because they were feeling so good. I knew it was the Titanic, and I was letting everyone know what I'm doing. And I'm selling at that time right into the top. Okay, boom, market crash, right? I wasn't greedy. I made profits. Now that everyone has fear, the market's been down for weeks. I've been putting on my Facebook that I'm buying Bitcoin. Again, if you're not following me on my Facebook, you're not in my Facebook group, which is totally for free, then again, you're getting to miss out all these insider stuff that I'm personally doing with my own money, right? You're getting to miss this stuff out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Click the like button if you could, because it does help out the algorithm. And always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. My favorite poet, Rumi. Don't take no for an answer. Click the like button. Peace.